Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to run a disk checking in Windows 10 or Windows 11 using the command line or command prompt. The first step is close all windows or all programs and open the file explorer. Go to this PC and locate your local disk or Unify or your flash drive. In this case, I'm using local disk C for this example, and open up the start menu and type Cmd. Right click in command prompt and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, select yes and type this command: chkdsk space C double dot space forward slash and select F and hit enter. Confirm with yes or G and hit enter, and restart your system for start the checking. Close this window and open up the start menu, select power and restart. Don't any press key and the fixing C is starting. Stage 2 total ETA and white. Scanning and repairing your drive, in this case C. You login in your Windows, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.